Namaste, I am Manju Gartola. You are welcomed in our grammar class. Today's lesson is a, an, and the. A, an, and the are called articles. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Look at the diagram. A and an are called indefinite articles and the is called definite article. Now we are going to learn how to use a or an before a given word. Look at the example. A nurse, a house, a party dress, a cow, an apple, an egg, an ox, an eagle. You'll see the use of a or an depends on the beginning sound of the word. Nurse, house, party dress, cow start with consonant sound. Apple, egg, ox, eagle start with vowel sound. So we have to listen carefully how the word is pronounced. We do not use a or an on the actual letter with which it begins. Dear students, first of all, I am going to show the uses of A. A is used before a singular countable noun beginning with a consonant sound. There are 21 consonant letters in English. They are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Look at the example. Chair, radio, car, kilometer, book. These words are countable nouns. The beginning sound of this given word is consonant sound. Look at here, chair. The beginning sound is the cha. Cha is the consonant sound. So we have to use a article before it. Similarly, radio. Radio beginning sound is consonant. So we have to say a radio, a car, a kilo, a meter, a book. Similarly, glass, a liter, a mango, a cow, a potato, a man, a boy, a donkey, a goat, a bus, etc. These all given words are singular. So we have to write a article before a singular countable noun beginning with the consonant sound. Students, there are some words. Always we have to remember before using article a. Look at here. A is used when the word starts with a vowel letter but pronunciation is consonant sound. For example, a union, a one-eyed man, a European, a U, a 1 rupee note, a unicorn, a unique creature, a university girl, a useful. These all given words start with vowel letter, but its initial pronunciation is consonant. So we say a union, a one-eyed man, a European, a EU, a 1 rupee note, a unicorn, a unique creature, a university girl, a useful, etc. Let's start the use of an. An is used before a singular countable noun beginning with a vowel sound. There are 5 vowel letters in English. They are A, E, I, O, and U. Look at the example. Ant, untidy girl, insect, owl. Similarly, animal, eagle, ox, eye, Iceland, orange, engineer, umbrella, elephant, American. These all given words are countable noun. We can easily count them like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So these given words starting sound is vowel. Look at here, ant. A is the vowel sound. So we say an ant. Similarly, untidy girl. A is also vowel sound. So we say an untidy girl. Insect. Insect is also countable noun. It is singular noun. The initial sound is E vowel. So we have to write an article N before insect. Similarly, an owl, animal, eagle, an ox, an eye, an Iceland, an orange, an engineer, an umbrella, an elephant, an American, etc. Students, there are some words which always we have to remember before using article N. Some example of are in our, honest man, MA, HA, FM, your, NGO, honorable person. Look at here. These all words start with consonant letter, but its beginning sound is vowel. So we have to write an article before them and say an hour, an honest man, an MA, an HA, an FM, an AR, an NGO, an honorable person. Look at the note. We should not use A or N before plural and uncountable noun. Plural means like bags, men, men, pens, goats, cows, cats, etc. These are the plural noun. Similarly, uncountable noun. Uncountable noun means swell, rice, water, well, etc. Before this uncountable noun and plural noun, we should not use A or N article. Let's start the use of definite articles the. The is used before the names of things which are unique and only one thing. For example, the earth, the Venus, the pyramid, the Great Wall, the sky, the Mars. These given words are, some are unique and some are only one in the world. The is used before the ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers, example, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 20s, 60s, etc. Before the ordinal number, we have to write article the and say the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the 20s, the 90s, etc. The is used before name of musical instrument. Example, guitar, piano, madol, flute. These are the musical instrument. So, we have to use article the before the musical instrument and say the guitar, the piano, the madol, the flute, etc. The is used before invention. Invention means people invented them. For example, aeroplane, mobile, radio, telephone, microscope, television. These are the invention. So, we have to write article the before them and say the aeroplane, the mobile, the radio, the telephone, the microscope, the television, etc. The is used when the something is mentioned second time. For example, there were two boys. The two boys helped me. Second time means the noun is repeat in second time. At that time, before the repeated noun, we use article the. Look at the example. There were two boys. The two boys helped me. The two boys is repeated in second time in here. So, we have to write article the before the repeated noun. So, we say the two boys helped me. Look at another example. He bought a bicycle. The bicycle was expensive. Bicycle is repeated in second time. That means bicycle is mentioned in the second sentence. So, before the bicycle, we have to write article the. And we say he bought a bicycle. The bicycle was expensive. The is used before superlative degree. Look at the example. Best, youngest, oldest, tallest, most. These are the superlative degree. So before the superlative degree, we have to use article the and say the best, the youngest, the oldest, the tallest, the most, etc. The is used before names of rivers, seas, oceans. Look at the example. Kosi, Narayani, Nile. These are the name of the rivers. So we say the Kosi, the Narayani, the Nile. Similarly, name of the sea, the Red Sea, name of the ocean. Before the name of the ocean, we have to use article the and say the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, like similarly the Atlantic Ocean, etc. The is used before names of holy books. Look at the example. Gita, Ramayana, Tripitak, Quran, Bible, similarly Mahabharata. These are the holy books. So before the holy books, we have to use article the and say the Gita, the Ramayana, the Tripitak, the Quran, the Bible, the Mahabharata, etc. The is used before the name of direction and poles. For example, the west, north, the south, the east, the south pole, the north pole. So, before the name of direction, we have to write article the and say the west, the north, the south, the east, etc. The is used before the names of desert. For example, Sahara, Gobi, Thar. Sahara, Gobi, Thar are the name of deserts. So, we have to write article the before the name of desert and say the Sahara, the Gobi, the Thar, etc. The is used before the names of nationalities, religions, posts. For example, Nepalese, Chinese, Japanese, these are the nationalities. So, we have to write article the and say the Nepalese, the Chinese, the Japanese, etc. Like religion, Hindu, Muslim, like Christian are the religions. So before the religions, we have to use article the and say the Hindu, the Muslim, the Christian, etc. Like post. Example, president, managing director, head teacher. Before the post, we have to use article the and say the president, the managing director, etc. The is used before parts of the day. Look at the example. Morning, afternoon, evening are the parts of the day. So, we have to use article the before this noun and say the morning, the afternoon, the evening. But we do not use any article before the parts of this noun. Example, noon, midnight, dogs, dawn. We do not use any article before it. Another, the is used before names of newspaper. Look at the example, Kathmandu Post, Rising Nepal, Kantipur, Annapurna Post. These are the name of the newspaper. So we have to use article the before the newspaper and say the Kathmandu Post, the Rising Nepal, the Kantipur, the Annapurna Post, etc. The is used before the names of mountains range. Mountains range. Not if the name of the summit is given. Look at the example. Himalayas, Alps, Vindhyas are the name of the mountain range. So we have to write article the and say the Himalayas, the Alps, the Vindhyas. But not use any article before the name of summit. Example, Mount Everest is the name of the summit. So we do not use any article before the name of summit. Mount Kanchenjunga, we do not use any article before it. Mount Makalu, before Mount Makalu, we do not use any article. Students, you have learned some of the rules of use a, an and the. I hope you will do the given homework. Fill in the gaps with a, an or the. Thank you, students. See you. Bye.